It's a heartbreaking tug of war with an innocent little girl caught right in the middle. Little Veronica is just a couple weeks shy of her 4th birthday. She was adopted at birth by a South Carolina couple, Melanie and Matt Capobianco. She lived with them for 2 years. Then her biological father, Dustin Brown, got custody under the Indian Child Welfare Act. Brown is a member of the Cherokee Nation. So this case went all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court, which ruled in the Capobiancos' favor. Dustin Brown was supposed to hand the child over to them. He refused and was arrested earlier this week. Fast forward to yesterday now. Just about everyone involved in this case showing up for 2 different court hearings, one at an Oklahoma County courthouse and one at a Cherokee Nation tribal court. Little Veronica was supposed to be in attendance as well, but she wasn't there. Court records show a mediation agreement was reached. So that's where we are. It is still not entirely clear what will happen next in the case or what the agreement was. Our legal guys are back. Avery Friedman in Cleveland, Richard Herman in Las Vegas. There are a lot of, twists and turns to keep up with, Richard. And so we mentioned there was a U.S. Supreme Court ruling on this, but it seems as though the Native American law may supersede that Supreme Court decision. And that's how we are at this juncture, that there's now going to be this mediation, that the 2 sides have to somehow come to terms in that way.
Well, Justice Alito said the Indian Child Welfare Act is not applicable, so he referred the case, the Supreme Court referred it back down to the South Carolina courts to determine the best interests of the child and custody. But this case is a loaded moot court drama, Fred. I mean, you can't get any more sophisticated with tribal sovereignty, federal jurisdiction. I mean, it is loaded here. Apparently, the father impregnated a woman, wanted nothing to do with the baby. The woman gave birth, then decided to put the baby up for adoption. But when she did that, she failed.
Didn't he waive his right as a parent, as a biological parent?
He waived his rights, but when they did the adoption, they failed to notify the Cherokee Nation, which was an absolute requirement under Oklahoma law because the father is a Cherokee. So by failing to do that, the Cherokee Nation could have stepped in, blocked the adoption because they have an overriding right to maintain the tribe and not to allow all these adoptions of Cherokee babies. So if it applied, right. So the adoption went through. It went to South Carolina. The baby went to South Carolina. The Cherokee Nation went nuts. They told Dustin, you've got to get involved here. They had tribal court rulings that he has custody. I mean, it's all over the place right now.
Okay.
And mediation will settle it, hopefully.
All right. Look forward to that. Thanks so much, gentlemen.
Fred.
Yes.
Okay.
I know. I see that. Howard University pin, Richard. Thank you very much. You have been working with the Howard Law School there, my alma mater, not the law school, but the university.
They send their best to you, Fred.
So my best to the Bisons, too. Go Bisons forever. All right. Thanks so much. Richard, Avery, thanks to both of you. Appreciate it.